Welcome back to Wicked F150. Today is something else I added to the truck, as you can see. I like the flag look on trucks. I mean, there's a lot of options out there. You can put it on side windows. You can put it on the rear window. You can get little decals you can put on the side of your vehicle. Not just a truck, you can put it on anything. But a lot of them, they look good, but I wasn't sure how I would feel about it on my truck. So I searched and searched. I've been searching for about 2 weeks just on the rear window decal. Just that. And I finally found one. If you can't tell, it's supposed to be an eagle with, looking like the American flag. This is something that was kind of important to me. This truck here is my dream truck, and I want it the way I want it. And being prior service and still being involved, I wanted something to say that. And this worked out perfect for me. Now, I got it off Amazon. It was $40 on Amazon. There's a lot of different options on Etsy and all that. If you Google it, just a rear window decal, Etsy's a big one. And a lot of them look good, but they are a little pricier. I don't know if they're better quality or anything like that. This one doesn't seem too bad from putting it on. But let me tell you, it is a pain with that sliding rear window. The instructions for it were horrible to be able to get it on. It's nothing like any other decal I've ever put on, anything like that tint. It's all kind of the same concept. And man, let me tell you, this was not fun. It's supposed to be a quick install, and it has taken me about an hour and 15 minutes maybe. Now, my wife did help me lay it out and initially get it on. I myself went ahead and, made sure it was perfect, cut the excess off, and did the sliding window. Now, the instructions say to go from the left side, peel back the paper to the center, or if you have a window, to the window line, and peel back the back paper, squeegee it on, then do the window just to the back paper, squeegee that on, then do the right side. However, these rear windows, they aren't smooth. They're talking, I don't know if they're still available on a different brand of truck, but they're talking about the smooth rear window that just slides across, not an indented this little window. So there's no way to be able to squeegee it on in the middle and still have it, go the rest of the way. Because of course I have this excess right here. So I ended up putting, the left side on to the window, trying to do the center, and as soon as it would cover the top and the bottom, it would crumble up really bad. There's no way to squeegee that out, and it would not work. So I went ahead and just lined it up so I could get it straight, and then went ahead and squeegee on the right side. Then I got everything perfect, went back to the middle. And as you can see, if you can look here, it is off by like 1/8 of an inch, the alignment for the window. And that was because of how it went on. Like it wasn't an easy thing with this rear window. It really wasn't. But I just took my razor blade at an angle the whole way around, so at least that on the window trim is straight. It's uniform the whole way around, and then put it together. The top was completely smooth, squeegeed and everything, and then cut the top and just worked my way around. You definitely need to have patience. I had to take a cigarette break just to make sure I wasn't going to mess up the center window. I didn't want it to ruin the whole thing. Now, it does look in the light like it's purple. It's not at all. It's tan. I'll put the link in the description, so anybody wants to look at it, go through the other designs the maker has, anything like that. Like I said, I'll put that down there. But I think it turned out great. I mean, I'm happy with it. It was a pain, but I think it looks good, and I can't wait to see it in the daylight tomorrow. Let me go ahead and back the truck out. If you can see, it's right getting dark, right at dusk. But let's pull the truck out and see how it looks outside right now. There you go. Outside, of course, in the dark, right at dusk, this is how it's going to look. Saw with the lights. Now, if you can see right through it. And that's the whole point of it. I didn't want, I still need to be able to see out my back window. And this perforated vinyl decal they make, which all of them are. I couldn't find one that wasn't. But that way you can still see, and you can tell that now it's not purple. But let me know what you guys think. I like the look of it. I think it adds a nice look to it. Tell me what you guys' opinion is. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.